Ever wondered how to make money easily? You're not alone. The quest for financial freedom is a common pursuit in today's fast-paced world. Today we're going to demystify this topic and share 10 brilliant hacks to help you make money with ease. First, let's dive into the world of online surveys. Brands are always on the lookout for consumer opinions, and they're willing to pay for it. By taking part in online surveys, you can make a tidy sum. It's as easy as sharing your thoughts. Secondly, consider becoming a virtual assistant. In this digital age, many professionals need help managing their emails, schedules, and administrative tasks. If you're organized and reliable, this could be a lucrative opportunity for you. Thirdly, the sharing economy has opened new avenues for making money. Consider renting out your spare room on Airbnb or your car on Turo. You'll be surprised how much you can earn from assets you already own. Fourthly, it's time to put your skills to work. Are you good at writing? Become a freelance writer? Are you a whiz at social media? Try social media management. There's a world of freelance opportunities waiting for you. Fifthly, consider selling your unwanted items online. Platforms like eBay and Facebook Marketplace make it easy to turn your clutter into cash. Sixthly, have you thought about teaching an online course? If you're an expert in any field, you can share your knowledge and get paid for it. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera are always looking for new instructors. Seventhly, why not turn your hobby into a source of income? If you love gardening, consider selling your produce. If you enjoy crafting, sell your creations online. Eighthly, investing in stocks and bonds can be a great way to make money. It may seem daunting at first, but with a little research and patience, you can reap significant rewards. Ninthly, peer-to-peer lending platforms can offer a good return on investment. By lending your money to others, you can earn interest and help someone else at the same time. And finally, consider starting your own business. Whether it's a blog, an online store, or a service-based business, entrepreneurship offers unlimited earning potential. To summarize, making money doesn't have to be complicated. By exploring online surveys, virtual assistants, the sharing economy, freelance work, online selling, teaching, monetizing hobbies, investing, peer-to-peer lending, and entrepreneurship, you can unlock a world of financial opportunities. Remember, the key to making money is to be proactive, patient, and persistent. With these 10 hacks, you're well on your way to achieving financial freedom. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring these options and watch your bank balance grow. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep learning, and keep earning.